Hello, welcome to another video by the Free College. Today we are going to mess around with the stuff in view history. So first we're going to go to English. We're going to find a page. Today we're going to use the affordable housing in the United States page because I did the latest edit on this page as of right now, as this video is being made. So we go down to the bottom, click desktop, and so we're going to click on, you can see at the top right, view history. So what are some of the things in view history? If you click oldest, those are the oldest edits made to this page. You can see by the date, it's 2023, and as it goes down. And then you can actually see who made the page, because this is the first edit that was ever made on the page. So that's how you see who made it. And if you want to learn more about anybody who made an edit, so you want to say, oh, I wonder what else that guy who started the affordable housing in the United States page, I wonder what other stuff he's edited. You click Contribs, Contribs, and those are his contributions. So you'll see at the top, results for that person's name, a person with that 108 edits. They started in 2023, and this is all their edits. And you can obviously go to oldest again. That's what oldest will do. It'll bring you to the first edits that user actually made, okay? So let's go back to the affordable housing page. We click view history. Looking around, we know what oldest does. Newer, older, 50, 100, 250, 500. That's how many edits do you want on this page right now. If you want to put it on 500 and you're trying to find something, I don't know, made by somebody, you can use the find in page function on your computer, which is Control F, or this is an iPhone, but on Android they also probably have browsers with find in. It's a text searching. So my nick is T. Willis Jr. and there it is. It's highlighting. Okay. So if you're looking for something that could be old, a historic edit on a page, and you know someone's name that you're trying to look for, and that's where you saw them, then you can do that. You can also go on the talk. If you click talk, you can go to my talk page. If you click on my name, T. Willis Jr., you can learn a lot about me right there. But we just went back to the view history. So the view history has, and Prev is basically what was the page like before this person made an edit. So we'll look at my edit. We'll click Prev, and on the left will be just regular gray, and on the right you'll see blue. Blue or yellow are edits that were added to the page. So I added, in 2025, U.S. News and World Report published a list of cities with affordable housing offering some one-bedroom apartments in the range of $500 to $600 per month. And then I put a source to support what I wrote to make sure it sticks. So if we look so before that page, we'll go to the citation bot. This is the article before that was added. So I'll find in page, we use the year 2025, right? So as you can tell, it went straight to the references, skipped the whole entire article. So the number 2025 is not in this version of the article. But if we go to the current version of the article by clicking article, you can go to find in page and type in 2025, and it's right there. That was my edit. So Prev basically turns it to the version before that edit. So it's an older copy of the article. So what happens when you click Prev it, in case you need to go back and find like an old table that you knew about that belongs in the article that somebody purged from the article, but it's needed right now. You can go back into old edits and find that table and then put it in. Table as in a graph for those who are not used to hearing the word table. So Contribs, click on the person's name, the user's name, you learn about them. Talk is kind of for like more controversial stuff, like I don't appreciate what you did kind of thing. Contribs, again, goes to all the contributions by that user, and you can check all of this stuff, historical, from the first to the current edits that were made on Wikipedia. So yeah, that's all we got in view history. Have a good one.